Transform your windows without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed. All Traceable Designer valances are made using our traceable, no-sew valance design forms. Select fabric to match your decor, then prepare your fabric section. Trace the design form, then cut out valance panels, then simply iron on, trim, and hang. Select from 4 different multi-style valance kits. The Cornice style kit includes 3 no-sew styles. Cornice valances look like a cornice without the need for styrofoam, wood, or any other base. Simply create panels, then hang using a wide pocket curtain rod with Velcro. The Cornice valance is also available as a combo kit and includes beautiful matching table accents. The Lambrequin valance kit includes 4 very unique valance styles. Similar to the Cornice, the classic Lambrequin features long side panels and makes a beautiful fabric frame to accent windows. Hang the Lambrequin valance using a standard curtain rod. The Swag valance kit includes 2 different swag styles, the classic straight style and a scallop style that is hung using side accent scarves. You'll find easy-to-follow video tutorials for each valance style and a personal project consultation for each kit. With 4 easy no-sew kits to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect valance style to express your unique design taste. When custom valances are this easy to make, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.